you ask us what we eat for breakfast on a plant-based diet. Now, Adam and I were in a groove of eating toast with avocado and tomato for a really long time, but now I'm in the groove of eating cashew gurt, which my mom got me hooked on. So I'm going to show you what I've been eating for breakfast every day for the last couple of days and make it for you now because I'm actually out and need to make some more. So we're going to start with some cashew gurt, or you can get other types of dairy-free yogurt, but I really like the cashew gurt. This container has 4.5 servings, so I'm just going to split it into 4. I'm just going to try to divide it evenly. You can of course measure yours out if you would like to. So the toppings I'm going to be using today are, we have some goji berries, bananas, pumpkin seeds, blueberries, and cacao nibs. And then what I do when I actually eat it, sometimes I'll add even some more fruit, like a little bit of a peach if I'm sharing a peach with Sophie, and then I'll put on some maple syrup or some honey, but we're gonna leave that until when you actually eat it, you can add in the maple syrup and the honey. So first, 2 tablespoons of goji berries to each portion. Now I'm going to add about half of a banana to each. And then about a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, some blueberries, and then to finish, some cacao nibs. So that's it guys, super easy. Now in the morning when I'm feeding Sophie, I'm just gonna grab one of these out of the fridge. I'm gonna add some maple syrup, shake it around, and eat it. Now if you guys make any of these, make sure to follow us over on Instagram, Steph and Adam Official. Send us a picture because we love seeing them and because they're super pretty. So you're gonna wanna take a picture and send it to us and share with all of your friends. And if you guys haven't seen or heard yet, our second book is finally, well, it's coming out at the end of October, but you can finally pre-order this book in the link in the description box below. It's gonna make some great Christmas presents or whatever holiday you celebrate, of course. This is basically a how-to vegan book. It is all plant-based food, but it's like comfort foods turned into plant-based. So we have lots of different cheeses in here that you can make vegan. We have cakes and cookies and then eggplant rollatini and all these different main food dishes that you can eat that have been turned into plant-based so that you can have your favorite foods vegan. So that's it guys. Have a great week. Namaste.